let's say I was going to explain to you the formula I created in 2008, index 3 times and match twice. So how would you use this? Let's say the Great Pyramids of Giza. There are 2 blocks that are damaged. Now, I don't need to know where the blocks are from. You're just going to give me 2 numbers. So you're going to give me 2 numbers, and those 2 numbers would be match and match. Oh, for 1 block. Oh, sorry, for 1 block. So, all right, 1 block was damaged. So what you're going to give me is you're going to give me the block number, and you're going to give me the block location. So that's match, match. And now I need an index, then you could tell me what part of the pyramid it's from. And then what I would do is I would use these 2 pivot tables, and these 2 pivot tables would be lead time and location. So the lead time also is tack time. So lead time, tack time, and location. Because I have to cut the block, I have to get the location, and then the lead time has to be located back to the Pyramid of Giza. So that formula, 1 block, whatever, I don't know how many blocks are in the Great Pyramids of Giza, but it really doesn't matter. They need to be labeled. Whether you give me coordinates of it, like let's say you say it's I don't know, the east, I don't know, 37 steps up, or let's say it was in the King's Chamber, because I think the King's Chamber's granite or whatever is in there is cut from a different location than the blocks out here that are supposed to weather time. So that's how it works. Excel is fairly new. So in 2008, you would have to scour the internet for index 3 times and match twice, and you're not going to find it. It's better than VLOOKUP, it's better than HLOOKUP, and it's better than XLOOKUP. I mean, because if you're dealing with pivot tables and you're dealing with variables that are connected but in different formats, that's why you have to use the index match.